Hello, my name is Pablo, Director of Artistry for Illamasqua. I'm going to show you how to apply the perfect red lipstick. Always start by moisturizing your lips. Tap a small amount of foundation around the lip line, blending it naturally. Set it with a light veil of loose powder to create a smooth and long-lasting base for your lip color. This will prevent the color from bleeding. Just be sure not to go too heavy. Apply a generous amount of lipstick from the bullet on the center of the bottom lip. Press lips together to transfer the color to the top lip. This will save time and give a natural shape. Using a lip brush, reapply the lipstick all over the upper and lower lips. Sharpen the lip edges using the lip pencil starting in the center of the Cupid's bow. Then place the edge of the pencil on the lip line and pull across to connect your lines until the lip is fully lined. If you want the illusion of full lips, draw slightly outside your natural lip line. And if you're wanting to minimize your lip size, keep the color inside your lip line. Your goal should be to balance both upper and lower lips. If you feel like you are building up too much product, press lips with a tissue, then blot your lips together again. These are some quick and easy steps to get a great shape and make your lip color more long-lasting.